Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces, water sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces, water sign. What are the messages for Pisces? And what's going on? Knight of Wands. Your person is very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion and attraction involved in this connection. I think there is there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. There is attraction, there is a lot of fire between both of you, but there is no commitment. I think there are some commitment issues going between both of you. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Knight of Swords, Page of Cups and Three of Cups. Someone was rushed to communicate with you. Maybe you received a message from your person, or if not, there is some apology coming in your way. Page of Cups. Maybe you want to say some apology to your person. Energy could be vice versa. So someone is approaching you to communicate with you. Apology. For some it could be third party situation involved, because Three of Cups is here with Page of Cups. Definitely there is third party situation involved. So someone want to say sorry to you. Maybe for some your person already reached you. For some, if not, they're going to be. And present, Ace of Swords, Six of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. There is no equal give and take in this connection in past, but now they want to offer equal give and take, and they're ready to offer marry you. Maybe they're ready to offer commitment to this connection. They want to be in a committed relationship. Pisces. And Ace of Swords, definitely truth coming out. Some clarity is coming in this connection, and there is communication coming with clarity. Pisces, there is some communication is going to be happen, and you both will get clarity, especially you. And Six of Pentacles, equal give and take they really want to. For some, you are more concentrating on your career. You focused on your career. You are balancing your finances, because maybe you have some problems regarding your finances, but you are focused on your career and balancing things. And King of Pentacles here, stability is coming in your finances also. Pisces. Future, Four of Cups, Nine of Cups and Death. Maybe for some you are in separation with your person. Maybe no contact situation. Very few, not all. You are feeling sad, missed opportunity with your person. Four of Cups. But your wishes are going to be granted. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Maybe you are wishing for this connection. Maybe you are wishing for this person, but there is missed opportunity with your person. And Death. Maybe there is some type of ending between you and your person. Scorpio. Maybe you are undergoing some transformation, and the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. So Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Wheel of Fortune, divine timing. Definitely everything will go in divine timing. Divine timing plays key role in this connection. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Pisces. Your person current feelings. King of Pentacles. Yeah, there. Eight of Wands. Wow. King of Pentacles, Eight of Wands and Eight of Pentacles, and under the deck the Hanged Man. They are stuck on you, Pisces. They're thinking about you a lot. Maybe your person also undergoing some spiritual awakening, and they're ready to offer stability. They want commitment, and they're ready to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. And Eight of Wands. Yeah, maybe you both are in different cities, countries. They want to travel to see you. And Eight of Pentacles, they really want to work on this relationship. There is lots of communication coming, back and forth communication in the month of March. So let's see the near future actions. One person in this relationship is committed, but one person is not. See the Moon, here 2 cards. So Ace of Pentacles with 7 of Pentacles. Okay, I need 3 cards. And under the deck, the Chariot. Definitely they want to take things to next level, but they are in slow moving energy. But still there is some movement, definitely. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer also. So let's see 7 of Pentacles, the Moon and Ace of Pentacles. Your person is ready to offer commitment, long-term commitment with you. But they are waiting. I think there is waiting going between you and your person because 7 of Pentacles is here. Maybe your person invested a lot in this connection. Maybe they are waiting for you to reach out. Maybe if you are not going to make any move, then they will make a move towards you. Definitely there is some waiting period going between. And the Moon, definitely one person is hiding something from one other person in this connection. There is something mysterious. You both are dreaming about each other. Especially your person is dreaming about you a lot. And Ace of Pentacles, they're ready to offer long-term commitment. Yeah. They want, I think there is marriage and upgrade in relationship. They want to be you in a committed relationship. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Lord of Earth energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Commitment, stability is coming. Pisces. Yeah, Hierophant. Yeah, communication and 6 of Swords. They want to fix the things between both of you and they really want to offer commitment, marriage, and there is communication is coming. Clarity, communication is coming. Maybe you are manifesting them to come again in your life. You are also thinking about them a lot, but you are guarded up right now. But you are manifesting. You are manifesting them. They are coming. I think you both are not talking with each other, hermit mode. You both are spiritually awakening about this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Definitely there is some transformation period for this connection. I think you both are undergoing some transformation. Yeah, this is very crucial period for both of you. Maybe you both realized the love for each other. Definitely there is some awakening you both are going through because this is the mutual card, the Hermit and the Justice. Definitely you both are thinking about marriage and second chances with each other. Yeah, waiting. Definitely there is waiting between both of you. And yeah, you both wishing for the same. There is some wish fulfillment is coming. You both are wishing, I think, some positive things. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see Pisces, your overall energy for the week. But there is communication with clarity is coming. Yeah, there are some disturbances between both of you. I think they won't give up on you, Pisces, easily. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, Temperance. I think they want to restore the balance. I think you also restore the balance in this connection. You also getting a lot of thoughts about your person. You are missing them. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ten of Cups, your person want this happiness with you. Maybe one person in this connection is already married to other person. And Queen of Cups, your person has strong emotions for you. They really love you so much. And without you, they are heartbroken. And the World. This could be long distance. You both live in different cities and countries or state. They want to be with you forever. The World card. For some, the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Pisces. Okay, you are good enough. full moon in Virgo. Maybe you are feeling that you are not good enough. This is the message from universe. You are good enough. Love yourself unconditionally. And prosperity lies ahead under the deck. New moon in Taurus especially. There is some abundance coming in your way, Pisces. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.